here they have this really cool 3D screen, and IKEA has the best commercials. Good evening. It's the 10th of February, which means it is Chinese New Year or Lunar New Year. And I'm here at the Phrom Phong BTS station in front of the M Quartier. Normally I always go to Chinatown to celebrate the Chinese New Year, but I know that this year here at the M district they have a big Chinese New Year celebration. So let me just show you around, and it also gives me the opportunity to show you the emsphere in the evening. I made an update when they just opened up, but I haven't shown you how it looks in the evening yet. In the Benchasiri Park there's going to be a Chinese dance and performance that will take place in about 15 minutes. I'm going to have a look there as well. This is a Top Charun, where you can buy glasses. Yeah, this skywalk has a completely different feeling in the night. So here in front of the Benchasiri Park there will be a performance with Chinese dragons and Chinese dance. See, many people are wearing red. So the Chinese community in Thailand is quite big. There are about 7 million ethnic Chinese living in here. See, a lot of people are already lining up to see the show. So let's go and have a look inside the emsphere. So here they have this really cool 3D screen, and IKEA has the best commercials. So let's go and have a look in the mall. Welcome to the emsphere at night. So here at the Central Hall, they created a kind of Chinese village. Here on the ground floor, you have the entrance to the food court and the train. So let's go inside. So this central hall here is always the one where you have the main theme. Besides the food hall, you have the gourmet market here, which is also a very popular supermarket if you are looking for Western products. And I do like this roof that they have here. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the New Year celebrations at the Benchasiri Park and a part here of the emsphere. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.